Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the phrasal verb bring up against. Bring up against. What is the meaning of this phrasal verb bring up against and how can you use this in your sentence? Bring somebody up against something. It means to force somebody to know about something and have to deal with it. To make someone have to deal with something. To make someone have to deal with some problem. Look at this example sentence. His work constantly brought him up against this problem. Here we have used brought up. The past tense for bring up is brought up. His work constantly, continuously forced him to deal with this problem. Example number 2. Working in the slums brought her up against the realities of poverty. It means working in the slum area forced her to deal with the problem or the realities of poverty. Working in the slum area helped her to deal with the reality of poverty, to tolerate the problem of poverty. So, bring up against or brought up against means to deal with the problem, to cope with the reality of the situation, to tolerate the situation, to withstand the problem. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.